Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, January 11th. The essay I'm going to read for you today from Mark Nepo's book of Awakening is titled Greed. We suffer, often unknowingly, from wanting to be in two places at once, from wanting to experience more than one person can. This is a form of greed, of wanting everything. Feeling like we're missing something or that we're being left out. We want it all. But being human, we cannot have it all. The tension of all this can lead to an insatiable search where our passion for life is stirred but never satisfied. When caught in this mindset, no amount of travel is enough, no amount of love is enough, no amount of success is enough. I'm not saying that we shouldn't explore our curiosity and venture into the unknown. I very much want to experience the world and love, to encounter new people in my life. What I am referring to here is that seed of lack that makes us feel insufficient. And then, somehow to compensate, we start to race through life with one eye on what we have and one eye on what we don't. Greed is not restricted to money. It can work its appetite on anything. When we believe we're behind or less than, we somehow start to want more than we need, as if what we don't have will fill in our pain and make us feel whole, as if the thing we haven't tasted will be exactly the thing to bring us alive. The truth is that one experience taken to heart will satisfy our hunger to be loved by everyone. So today let's do a reflection that Sharon Salzberg calls the inner abundance practice. Take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. As always, try to find spaciousness in your breath so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring to mind a recent situation when you had FOMO, the fear of missing out, this desire to be in two places at once, of wanting to do or get or be more than one person possibly can. Try connecting to the weight of this feeling. What exactly is going on for you as you reflect on this situation? Is there self-judgment, fear, resentment, impatience, anger, uncertainty? Whatever it is for you, try connecting this felt sensation in your body. What thoughts are being stimulated by this reflection? Again, whatever those thoughts are, no judgment. Maybe remind yourself, how human of me. Now see if you can breathe in a bit more spaciousness into your experience and explore what happens both in your body and in your mind as you relax your ideas of wanting it all. Maybe gently say to yourself, what I do is enough. The way I am is enough. I don't need to do, feel, or be anything else. I am enough, just the way I am. Can you access the spacious feeling of being enough in your body, in your heart, in your mind? If you can, rest in this feeling, bask in it. If you cannot, no judgment. Simply remind yourself, how human of me. How human of me. As you do this, I want to complete our practice with a poem titled Enough. If all you ever did today was to get up, let it be enough. If it felt like the world asked for too much and there was too little to give, let this be enough. Among the list of things undone, add the word survive. Tick the box. Let this be enough. And now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for this deep, powerful work that you're doing. Send yourself the energy of gratitude and loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? Remember the practice that we just did, the practice of inner abundance, is completely portable. So as you go through your day to day, I invite you to try it out during any experience of missing out. Remind yourself that as a human being, you can only do, be, and have so much. And that just one experience taken to heart will satisfy your hunger. Can you rest in this feeling that what you do is enough? That you are enough, just the way you are, always. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh, and by the way, if you can recognize the place where I am right now, because I've done many practices from here, let me know in the comments. It's going to be a little riddle. Have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow. Bye.